Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Quotex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in quotex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Quotex website. Now, in order to create a new account, click on Create a Free Account at the bottom section or the Sign Up button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the registration page. Just choose your country or region of residence. Choose your currency from the currency drop-down menu and then enter your preferred email address for your account. Then enter your preferred password and confirm by clicking on the checkbox which says that you are above 18 years old. Also click on the checkbox below if you are not a resident of the United States. Then click on the registration button and now this will sign you up to your account right away. And while you will be taken into your dashboard directly, you will still need to verify your account. Just log into the email address that you just used for registration and you will find an email from Quotex. Once you open this email, you will see confirm the email button. Just click on this and now your email address will be confirmed right away. You can edit your account information if you wish to do so, and you can also proceed with verifying your documents along with various other account settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Quotex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.